Alright, replacing remote key battery on a Volkswagen. So we're gonna release the key. All we need is flathead screwdriver. We're gonna lift up from the inside, just like so. This is the cover. And to release the battery, you can use something smaller from the corner right here. And then when you put the battery back in, you just slide in and it will click. This is the type CR2032. And then when you put the cover back on, we're gonna reverse it. We'll just slide in this side and then like so.